This is why you need to know about contagious yawning. It's more fascinating than you think. Have you ever sat there, totally fine, and then, boom! You see someone yawn and now you're yawning too? What gives? Scientists have a few ideas. One theory is that yawning helps cool down our brains, like nature's built-in air conditioning. Another theory, it's all about social bonding. When we see someone yawn, we might mirror them to show empathy. It's like saying, hey, I get you. So next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, remember, you're either cooling off your brain or showing you care. Pretty cool, right? Stay curious.